Hello, my beautiful boss slaymates. It's me, Ikenisha, your favorite business consultant, and today we're going to be talking about something that businesses are using to make thousands of dollars without depending on social media all the time. What is it, you may be asking? SMS marketing, otherwise known as short message service marketing or text marketing. Now, y'all know I am the email queen, but right now I want to tell you all why email marketing may not come up as high as SMS marketing. So we're going to talk about SMS marketing as well as a company called Slicktext. So let's get into some stats, okay? Now, according to a site called Tech Jewelry, a whopping 75% of consumers opted into SMS marketing over email marketing. That alone is amazing. And you all know, again, I am the email queen, but 75% of people wanting text over email, they're literally telling you to text me. So what should you be doing? Texting them. Now, there are some metrics that you all know that we always measure when it comes to email marketing. One of those metrics is the open rate. Now, you all know a while back, Apple changed some kind of privacy update and it made all of our metrics skewed, especially the open rate. But when it comes to text marketing, I'm going to kind of interchange them, whether it's going to be SMS marketing or text marketing, same thing. But the open rate for text message marketing is a whopping 98%. Are y'all listening? 98% of people that get a text from a company open it. Why? Because the little notification pops up, you click it, it's open. A lot of times you don't even know who it's from. You have to open it first to see it. So therefore, you are guaranteed to get your message to your people who ask to hear from you. Are you hearing me? Now, on top of that 98%, there is an engagement rate of 90% with SMS marketing. I'll say it again. 98% open rate, 90% engagement rate. That means they did something on that particular message that you sent them. Now, there is a response rate. I want y'all to hear this because when I looked up these stats, I cannot believe it. Let me make sure I'm reading it right. I wrote it down so I can make sure. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, so the response rate in SMS marketing is a crazy 90 seconds compared to 2 days with email marketing. I don't know what else to tell y'all. And that was a stat that I got from Voyage SMS. And another stat that I got from them with the metrics that correspond with email marketing is click-through rate. You all know click-through rate is ridiculous. That is a metric that we are always measuring when it comes to email marketing because we want to know if our email was good enough and worded well enough for a person to click on the link and go onto the site. Now, the click-through rate for email is normally around a 2.6%. And I'm normally good. I'm happy when I get a 1 or 2, 3%. Text message marketing or SMS marketing, it's 80%. 80% of people who get sent a text message from a company click on it. And I'm going to tell y'all something because I counted. While I was scripting out this video and looking at all these stats, it took me about 25, 30 minutes. I received 3 text messages from companies. I received one from Michaels. I received one from this company I've been shopping with. I was a brand ambassador for them when they first opened back in 2018. It's a bra company called We Are Lively. Please be sure to shop them. I'm not an affiliate for them anymore, a brand ambassador, but shop with them. They have amazing wireless bras. Anywho. So I received a message from Michaels, We Are Lively, and this wholesale company that I use. I actually introduced my YouTube members to them a long time ago. So I received 3 messages. I clicked on all 3 of them. So I stopped what I was doing and I clicked on all 3. So that goes to show you text message marketing is where it's at. And I will say I did receive a bunch of emails. I received about 5 emails from LinkedIn. I clicked on one and I actually opened one and clicked in that one. The rest of them, I want to say I received a total of 8 emails within that time. I only opened one and clicked on one out of all of the 8. So that's 1 out of 8 compared to all 3 out of 3 with the text message marketing. What does that tell y'all? All right. So anywho, now let's talk about who you should use to get started, which is who we're going to talk about in this video. And we are going to talk about Slicktext. So I have been using them on and off for a while. The only reason why I was off is because you all know there have been times where I shut down my business for a little bit of mental break time, whether it was for social media as well as business. So that is the on and off version of it. Now, Slicktext is a great platform for those who are just starting out because there's a lot of things that they handle for you. Now, if you have watched this video here that I'm going to pop up somewhere on the screen, then you know that there are compliance laws that you have to follow when it comes to email marketing and SMS marketing. So after you watch this particular video, be sure to go watch that one so you can learn more, because I'm not going to go into detail about that here. But Slicktext handles all of that compliance law issues for you, thank God, because I know people personally who have gotten in trouble because of compliance laws with their text messaging and or email marketing. But I know 2 people with the text message marketing. There are certain things in that video, I'm almost positive I'm going to talk about it in that video. So please, again, be sure to go watch that video so you can learn about compliance laws with email marketing as well as text message marketing. Now, something else, you all that have been following me for a while know that I was in retail management for over a decade. So customer service is something that is very important to me. And one thing that I like about Slicktext is that they are a small company, so they are able to really give that experience, that great customer service experience, and they really care about their customers as well as their affiliates, and I am both. So I have been able to personally talk to members of Slicktext and actually develop a great relationship with them. So be sure to use my code IJText. I should pop it up on the screen somewhere, so you can get a 14-day free trial and 15% off your first month when you use my code. I'm telling you, after this video, you're going to want to sign up with them anyway. So again, IJText, 15% off and 14-day free trial. So I want to go ahead, I'm going to kind of mix in some things with Slicktext as well as giving you all some tips. So how should you start SMS? First things first, you got to sign up with Slicktext. And then you're going to want to create your short code and your text word. Now, your text word is something that your customers will use to send to your short code. Your short code is normally about 5 digits long. So, for example, we could say, or I could say rather, text the word Slaymate to code or to number or just to 65500. Slaymate is my text word. And then my short code is 6500. So that's the short code can be known as like your business's phone number if you want to just make it plain. So you have to set those up first. With Slicktext, you can get 2 text words for their cheapest plan, I believe, because that was what I had. So after you do that, you're going to want to get people on your list. How do you do that? Same thing with email marketing. We're going to make it fun. We're going to make it interesting. We're going to make it irresistible. We're going to do some things to get them on the list. So of course, we're going to want to have a web pop-up. Slicktext has that for you. So you want to have a pop-up and make it interesting with the pictures and all that stuff and get them to sign up and all of that. I will also have, hold on, sorry, y'all. Ooh. Slicktext also has QR codes. So if you are someone who has like business cards or some kind of cards, you can put that QR code on there or have it on your phone, and someone could just scan that and sign up for your list. Something else that I would do, because y'all know how I am about making things fun, I would host some kind of sweepstakes, contest, give away something for free, discount codes, of course. But Slicktext offers something called Text to Win contest. And it's basically what it sounds like. You text this to win. So I would have that kind of contest in order to get people on my list. And Slicktext, the amazing company that they are, they will run this good God, y'all. They will run this text to win contest for you. So they'll text the customers like, no, they won, if they did win, all of that stuff that you want them to do, they will run it for you. So I highly recommend not only using Slicktext, but to have this type of fun with your customers, because you're going to get them on your list and they're most likely going to stay on your list. So just like with email marketing, there are some messages that you absolutely have to have. So you know when you email, you're always going to give them a confirmation email or a welcome email. You want to do the same thing with your text message marketing. You want to give them the welcome message first. That is obviously the most important. Inside this message, you're going to let them know you appreciate them, thank them, let them know how many messages they should expect or what they should expect from you. And also, a way for them to opt out. That is part of the compliance laws. But again, Slicktext will make sure that that wording is in there for you automatically, so that way you will never forget to include it. Slicktext makes sure that it is in there. So make sure all of that's in there. So the next thing you could do, of course, you can send sales texts. Those are the ones that we normally get all the time from other companies. So a sales text will include, sorry, y'all, I was receiving a phone call. So a sales text will include, whatever it is you want to tell them about. It will include a link, a discount code, and it doesn't have to include a video, a GIF, or a photo. I highly suggest that you do that. That's called MMS, or multimedia messaging. So Slicktext offers that as well. You can do whatever ones you want to do. Like I just said, you can do a GIF, you can do a photo, you can do a video of your product, have a link in there for them to click on, offer them a discount code. Make sure they know that this discount code is strictly for your text message subscribers, okay? You want them to feel exclusive. You want them to feel special. And any of you all that have watched any of my email marketing videos, you all know there are certain things I do on social media to let people know about what the email subscribers are receiving. Make sure you do the same with SMS. I'm not going to go into detail with that either, because I've done it in other videos. You're going to have to go find it. I don't even remember which ones they were in. Anywho, there's another text that you should do, which you can call them the nudge text, but I mean, it's basically a reminder text. Same thing in email marketing. Email marketing, we will remind you to finish your checkout, something like that, like an abandoned cart. Same thing with a nudge text or reminder text. You're going to remind them of an action that you want them to take, such as finishing, checking out, or their abandoned cart, or whatever that is. So make sure that you are sending out those, and make sure you're not just sending one. Okay. Same thing I've talked about with the abandoned cart. You should have an entire abandoned cart series. So it's at least 3 emails that you're sending out. With the text, I suggest doing the same thing. With the first one, you don't have to offer them any kind of like incentive to check out. They already were trying to check out. Something could have happened. So just like right then, I could have been checking out and then my uncle's calling me, and I could have just forgotten about it afterwards. So you don't need to offer them any kind of incentive or discount to check out the first message. Now, second message, if they don't check out, then yes, offer them something. Don't even have to be big. 5 or 10% off, free shipping, whatever. Add in a little free gift. Something to get them to check out a second time. Third time, same thing. Same thing. Whatever it is that you are offering them, offer them that in that third text or third email. This is the same thing that you can do for email. So now that I have given you some good tips, I've told you who to sign up with, I suggest you go right on ahead and start your SMS marketing journey. I am going to reopen my boutique. I was going to do it this month. I've changed my mind. I want to just start fresh with spring. I was going to open up and do my lingerie. I'm still on the fence about it. I already did a lingerie show, but I don't know. I probably will, because I did have a lot of people at the show that was interested in it. And I already have the lingerie, so I'll probably go ahead and do that. So anywho, remember, these tips that I gave you, they will not work if you don't put in the work. So put in the work with these tips. Sign up with Slicktext. Use my code IJText. Use that free trial and figure out everything you need to figure out. Remember, they do offer really good customer service. You can chat with them. You can call them. You can email them. I've done all 3, and I received answers like this. Okay, again, they have really good customer service. So I want you all to head to Slicktext, sign up. Let me know how your SMS journey is going. If you need something, do not hesitate to reach out, whether it's in my YouTube comments or messaging me on Instagram at royal_aries325. Okay, so I will see you all next time. Bye.